In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Yahoo email account. Whether you're looking to streamline your online presence or simply no longer need your Yahoo account, we're here to guide you through the process in an easy and straightforward way. To start, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you commonly use. Then, type in the URL for the Yahoo account termination page. This is where you'll begin the process of closing your account. If you're not sure of the address, no worries. It's simply login.yahoo.com/account/delete. Once you're there, you'll notice the page dedicated solely to account deletion. You'll need to sign in with the particular Yahoo email account you wish to delete. Enter your account credentials carefully, your email address and password. Be sure that this is the exact account you want to remove, as proceeding from this point is irreversible. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll see some important information about what deleting your account entails. Take a moment to read through the details provided about account deletion. Yahoo offers this information to ensure that you understand the consequences fully. Your emails, contacts, and other data linked with this account will be lost permanently. So double check that you've backed up any important information or emails before proceeding. It's crucial to be certain, because once your account is gone, there's no going back. At this stage, Yahoo may prompt you to confirm your identity. This is a necessary step to ensure that it is indeed you who is requesting the deletion. If prompted, verify your identity using the method provided. It could be answering a security question or entering a code sent to a backup email or your phone number. After you've confirmed your identity, you'll be directed to click on the Terminate this account button. This is the action that sets the deletion in motion. Click the button only when you are completely ready and certain of your decision. Once you've clicked to terminate, your Yahoo email account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. While it won't disappear instantly, the process is in place. Yahoo typically offers a grace period before the deletion is finalized, just in case there's a change of heart. However, accessing the account during this period could potentially cancel the deletion process. So it's best to leave it. If you've decided to part ways with Yahoo, that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Yahoo email account. Ensure you've considered everything thoroughly before taking this step. Thank you for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more guides on managing your digital life.